you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe and press the bell icon for new notifications so that you don't miss any new videos. Hello friends, welcome to Kavita's Kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to prepare eggless vanilla cake using homemade cake mix. Let's see what all ingredients we need to prepare eggless vanilla cake. We need cake mix, half cup yogurt, half cup oil, half cup milk and vanilla extract. How to prepare homemade vanilla cake mix I have already shown in my previous videos. You can check that link in description box below. In this cake mix we have already added sugar. So here we have to use only wet ingredients other than this cake mix. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. Let's prepare the cake batter. Add in half cup of oil, half cup yogurt, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Now we have to whisk it well. You can use whisk, electric hand mixer or stand mixer. Now we have to add our cake mix. Sift the cake mix well. Add in milk. Don't add all milk at a time. Check consistency of cake batter and add milk. Whisk it well. It needs some more milk. I am going to add milk. This is the perfect consistency of vanilla cake mix. Now we have to pour this in baking tray. Here I have taken 9-inch square baking pan, greased it with butter and lined it with parchment paper. Add cake batter in pan. You can see it is in thick pouring consistency. Tap this for 1 to 2 times. It's ready to go in preheated oven. Bake this cake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for 20 to 30 minutes. It took almost 30 minutes to bake completely. I have taken cake out of the oven. Now we can check cake is baked properly or no by inserting toothpick. If it comes out clean, then cake has baked properly. If you see any cake batter to this toothpick, you have to bake cake for some more minutes. Allow this to cool for 10 to 15 minutes. Until cake cools down, we can prepare the vanilla flavored whipped cream. For that we need 1 cup heavy whipping cream, 1/3 cup icing sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Take chilled heavy whipping cream in a cold mixing bowl. Add icing sugar. Here I have taken 1/3 cup of icing sugar. You can adjust the quantity of sugar according to your taste. Add vanilla extract. Now we have to beat this well. Here I am using electric hand mixer. You can use stand mixer as well. First 30 seconds I am going to beat this on low speed. Gradually I will increase the speed until we get soft peak consistency. It took almost 5 minutes to reach soft peak consistency. Now you have seen how to make whipped cream. You can store this whipped cream in airtight container for 4 to 5 days in refrigerator. Cake has cooled completely. Now we can flip the cake. You can see cake has baked properly. I am going to flip this cake on plate. You can see cake has become very soft. Cake is ready. Now we can decorate it with vanilla whipped cream. Now you have already seen how to make whipped cream. Spread whipped cream evenly on the cake. I am going to keep it in refrigerator for 10 to 15 minutes. Now we can cut the cake. We can do some simple decoration. Here I have filled whipped cream in Ziploc bag and some cream on the top and some cherries. Soft and delicious vanilla cake is ready to enjoy. You can see cake is looking very soft and delicious. Please do try this at home, share with your family and friends and enjoy baking. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye. Take care.